So hi, today we will unbox the new Galaxy S25 Ultra from Samsung. So here it is. So the box is really rigid and really good packaging for that phone. So let's open it. Yeah, that's the new silver blue. So you can see here all the accessories seems to be in that box right here. So anyway, let's open this. So cable. Again this year, no charger. So nothing more than that. And the phone. Let's open it. So yeah, really nice phone with the cover. Yeah, quite neat. Really rigid aluminum feel on the phone. So this is the unboxing of the S25 Ultra in Canada. Thank you.